Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana also here currently moving according to plan. Yesterday I showed you once more in the update here this yellow resistance box, this target area for wave 2, and also here Solana for the second time now came into it, reacted to the upside of that target area. How is that target area actually defined? Well, that is defined based on the Fibonacci retracement levels. Yeah, the retracement here, as you can see that, retracing from that low of the wave 5 here to the upside. So this here was the 61.8% Fib level, just above 54 US dollars. This is one of the most likely Fibonacci retracement levels for wave 2, and it reacted to it very strongly. It has moved down. It has not yet made a lower low, and that is very important. That is what we would want to see. However, at the moment, it is currently going according to plan. I'm not required to change anything in my chart. As I showed you already here a few days ago, we could have completed here possibly this Elliott wave triangle in an ABCDE. That was on the 17th of May, here where we had around $57.90. Here the wave 4, that is currently what I believe has finished. A corrective wave 4. After we came down here in a wave 3 that you can see here on the screen on the 12th of May, where we made a low of around $35. We recovered in a wave 4, pretty much as planned. We completed that wave 4. After wave 4, we expect another wave 5 down to complete the overall correction here, making a lower low. I currently believe that will end somewhere around the area of $30, maybe a little bit lower. Could go down as low as $20, basically because we had a lot of support, as I showed you in the previous video. Somewhere here, I think it's not loading at the moment. But at around $20, there is a lot of support. And, I don't know, it's just taking everything out here. Don't worry. So, $20. What is important is now that we continue that move down. So what I'm looking at here at the moment is the resistance level against recovery is $57.90. So this is the wave E peak here, the wave 4, $57.90. This would be from where I say, right, this wave will be invalidated. So let me take the other resistance levels out here. This current wave count will be invalidated. Yeah, what I have on the chart here. If we really break above $57.90, that wave 1, 2, what I have on the chart here is not possible anymore. Because after the wave 2 here, I would now expect the wave 3 down. And it looks like we already started that with this impulsive wave down. Of course, it's not 100% guaranteed that we don't go up and recover. But if we do that, in my opinion, it would still only be corrective at the moment. Yeah, because all of this I wouldn't want to count as an impulse. So this can only be a corrective wave. And even if we have a more extended recovery here currently, like I think Loopring is having that at the moment, then it just means that the wave 4 will be a little bit higher. It would still be a corrective wave, after which we expect a strong downtrend before we can finally start to recover to the on a sustainable basis to the upside. To the downside, I'm currently looking at a very important level here. That is the $46 level, which is here. Yeah, the wave X low. We would need to break that. First of all, we need to break here that support level at $47. The previous swing low, we had swing low here, here, and here. And then we need to go below $46. So at the moment here in the very small scale on the 1 hour chart, it looks like we already started here the downtrend, the last wave 5. In this wave 5, we could have already completed the wave 1 here. You can count that as an impulse. We can count this here as an A, B, C in a wave 2. Absolutely possible. And now we should get here into this wave 3. Now in the wave 3, it's currently looking like that we are already completing here, maybe already completed, but it looks like it's not done yet. So that we are here in a 5-wave move down, which means this would be the first wave of this wave 3. This can't be the wave 3 because it's not long enough, but it could be the first wave of the wave 3, after which we would expect a little bit more down now, maybe a little bit higher in this wave 4. Yeah, and we can take a look at that. So in this wave 4, we can expect here a little bit more of a move up, possibly all the way to $50.71 or $51.40. Yeah, above that, probably not. Yeah, $50.71, $51.40, absolutely realistic. Maybe already finished. We reached the 23.6% fib level here at $49.86. From here, it can already start to turn around, and we already see a small reaction to it. Then move down in a wave 5. So maybe a little bit higher now, then move down in a wave 5. Complete that first wave down of the wave 3. Then we will expect here an ABC up, which could be a bit of an extended move up. ABC, possibly all the way, 50 again, $52, $53 in a wave 2, that would be, of the wave 3. And after that, we would then expect the wave 3 of the wave 3 down. And that would be the real move down, yeah. And then we would probably also break here the 47 and the $46 levels. So currently going according to plan, yeah. Will be an interesting day. Next few days will be interesting to see if this is playing out as indicated here on the chart, on the roadmap, to complete the correction down there. See these waves here as, see it as something that can give you a hint where the price will go. These don't 100% work of the time, of course not. I don't have a crystal ball, but as long as we get like 70, 80% right, or even 60%, it would be good, yeah, because as long as you're right more often than not, and as long as these target areas are reached more often than not, it is what we want, yeah, because only then you get profitable. But I think it's good generally as an orientation, and the main reason why I show you now these smaller or fine-grained Elliott wave counts of all these coins that I cover, it makes more work for me. But what is so important is to really pay close attention to all of this, because what we don't want to miss is if when the price suddenly, or the market suddenly decides to do something like this. So as soon as we see the first impulsive move up in all of this, could be anywhere, and we then see a first corrective move down, we make a higher low, and then we already start here with a green candle. That is when we can say with much clarity and certainty that the down or the low was in. Yeah, as soon as we see that, then the low can be in. At the moment, we don't see that yet. We don't see an impulsive wave up, which will always consist of 5 waves. The reason I look at this at the moment in so much detail is that we reached obviously my target area. Yeah, I've been telling you for many weeks that a price level between $55 and $30 to complete the overall correction is very realistic. In fact, we talked about the $100 to $55 level for the last 6 months. Obviously, then I refined it a little bit and said that at some point then we could go up down to $30. Yeah, but that was many weeks ago. And now that we reached this target area, theoretically the low could be in for Solana. It doesn't mean it needs to be in, but theoretically it could be in. So whenever the market now decides to make that 5-wave move up, we want to be ready. We want to position ourselves, and therefore I pay very close attention to it. And as you know, as soon as I see something in the charts that would suggest this is an impulsive move up, I will of course make you aware. What we then have to do is to wait for the corrective wave, and if it makes a higher low. Therefore, there's usually no reason to FOMO in, because if we FOMO in the first impulsive move up, there's no guarantee that this will be an impulse, and we can pretty much be sure that there will be a corrective wave ABC following that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so usually this is where we can with much certainty say that the low is in. Overall, I said before, long-term view for Solana in the next larger wave to the upside. In the wave 3, would be price range of around $450, maybe more. That would be here the wave 1, then the wave 2 to the downside, in which we currently are. When that is complete, the wave 3 at some point, but this is more medium term, long term, should take us to at least the 1.618 Fibonacci extension level at $450. That is the minimum target for that, but that will play out over many months, right? So and we need to finish the correction first, and then we can start talking really about this and how long it might take. All right, and that is my view about Solana here at the moment. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. and maybe even the trading course I'm currently offering on morecryptoonline.com. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.